Alright, hey guys, today I'm playing this game, because I can. I already played a bunch of it. Oh, I have a bean one? I haven't played this game in a while. Um, yeah, oh wait, no. Let's see how many I have. Hold on, I gotta just pause real quick. Alright, I fixed, whatever happened, I couldn't click it because of the screen recording. But yeah, um, I'm just looking at some stuff I have. Wow, I got lots of stuff. I'm green. That dude's a Pringle chip. And yeah, let's see if I can go get that watermelon. Because I don't think I ever gotten it. Oof. Alright. So I'm going to try to find at least one thing. You know? One single thing that's actually hard to get. If I get an easy one, I'm just gonna get more, because I want this video to be nice and long for me to get stuff. This one up here, I'm pretty sure it's really difficult. Yeah, I'm kind of sick, I think. Ah, wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. What if I make it there, but with pumpkin? Guys, let's see if I make it. By the way, please subscribe to the channel. Please, I beg you. I need subscribers. My cousin is following me. Help. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna keep rolling over here because my character looks big back. I'm gonna go really slow so that the video's longer, because I want it to be. Alright, I'm making my way there. Let's see if I get pushed, because I saw that I got pushed faster than other ones. I'm not getting pushed. No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, I did something very epic. Don't tell me there's nothing up here. I will rage bait if there's nothing up here. I would be very angry if there's nothing up here. Because I worked a long time to get up here. And I'm getting up here. And I'm going to find something. And if I don't find anything, I will rage bait and the cameras will cut. Or nothing will happen. I see it. I see it. No. No. Not this. Wait. What if I... What if I become a green apple? Ah! Eek! I don't think a fan can blow away an apple. Plus, the apple's smaller. Dude, stop pushing me. These people, they're pushing me, and I hate it. I just want to get my stuff. Let me get my precious stuff. Alright, we're going slow. We're going slow-mo. If you made it this far in the video, thank you. Alright. I might do it. No. Ah! This is gonna be a while. Time to cut the cameras, because I'm not gonna sit here for an hour. Oh my god. I'm making my way up. Woo! Okay. I guess I have to be pumpkin. Oh my god. I'm really angry. I hate this. Why? Why? I'm just a stick pumpkin. Please let me get my stuff. I need that, whatever that was. And then the video will end. And you guys that's watching the video, you can go back to whatever you were doing. And that will be really epic. He's going green app. What? Bro. How come it works for him, but don't work for me? Oh my god. What if I don't get this one? Like, why? Please let me get it. I wonder if I could turn that thing off. Oh my god! Oh my god, can I turn that off? I can't. Alright. We are making my way there. Oh my god. By the way, guys, this is my cousin. Yeah. He keeps pushing me. It's really annoying. God. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Move, brother. Oh my god, guys. Oh, I accidentally pushed him, guys. It's not epic at all.
You didn't push me off, Papa.
Oh my! He came in my room. Guys, help! He's gonna get angry at me. Help! Oh my god! I see it, but I'm too fat to get it. Ah!
What is it, Hopper?
I don't know. I don't really know what it is.
Yeah, I try to get it as.
I'm gonna be a piece of bread.
Where do you get the bread at?
Bruh. What do you mean, where do you get the bread?
Yo, it's in there?
Yeah, what do you mean? It's in there. It's been in there for literally as soon as you start. What do you mean, where's the bread?
I never seen that before.
What? That is insane. I feel like my character's talking at the same time I'm talking. Oh my god, brother. Please stop pushing me. I'm gonna go on a private server because of these people. Oh my god, I never saw so many blueberries.
I had the bread.
Alright, that's good to know.
I had the bread. I think that was like my first one.
Yeah, me too. I'm slowly making my way there.
Oh, counting back up as a bread.
Oh my god.
Right at the bread you are.
Okay.
The long bread.
I'm surprised you even realized that I was in your server.
I saw the drawing on the top of my screen.
Oh. Alright, nope, it doesn't work. Don't do it.
I'm doing the other bread.
What if I be a carrot? Wait. Oh. Ah! Eek! Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm doing a backflip. Blah. I can't speak.
I keep doing backflips.
Yeah.
Did you
Alright guys, watching to the end. If you are still watching, that is epic. I'm gonna go
See,
get
I'm
that
right there. You
exact
see
thing.
me? That's the bread I am.
What?
I'm the long bread.
Okay. I really hope you guys are still watching because I realize that this video is 2 minutes. Ah, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm angry. This makes me angry. This is the first time actually seeing me do real reactions. I can probably start doing reacting videos, but I might get
Do
copyrighted.
not do the long bread. None of the breads work.
Okay, oh my god, I'm falling.
The carrot doesn't work, Papa.
Alright. Huh. You.
I'm going tiny mode.
Uh,
I'm going tiny. You got that one?
yeah?
I have been trying to get that one.
What do you mean? I jumped from it to the couch.
Yeah, I've tried to.
Epic. Don't you have the pepper that's on the couch? Guys, do you want a tutorial on how to get this? Just comment on this video. I really don't like how this video is really long. I made it too long. Alright. Alright guys, I might not get anything. Might have to put a part 2. But I'm going to cut the cameras until I make it. Bye! Alright, since I can't really get that one, we're going to do another one. I'll probably get that in my free time. But you kind of just wasted this entire video watching me do that for nothing. Sorry, but it happened. Do I have the mushroom on this account? I'm really wondering. I have multiple accounts. I don't know, do I have it? Alright, I don't have it. So, like, yeah. I'm gonna get at least one thing.
The blueberry does not work.
Okay. That's very, very good to know. I couldn't speak for a second. Guys, this actually might work actually with this because I feel like cheese has weight on it.
Let's see.
Cheese is protein. Protein is strong, so we better see does this work.
No.
I hate cheese. I hate cheese now. My eye is twitching. I'm very angry. Alright, guys. We are gonna go find something else different.
I'm trying the sugar cube, okay?
Don't do the sugar cube.
Why?
That's a bad idea.
Did you do it?
No, that doesn't. I don't think it works.
Well, I'm gonna try it.
Wait. Oh my god. I'm under here. What? Do you guys know what he's saying? Oh my god. Guys, Bruh. Oh my god, bruh. Guys, do we think he might make it? Do we know? Alright,
Well, you were right. I should have done it.
yeah.
I guess all the tiny items I have do not work. You're not trying to get it anymore?
Yeah, because I literally spent like 15 minutes trying to get that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Put rope. What do you mean put rope? Ooh, there's a secret. Guys, there's a secret.
You got a secret?
Oh, I found a vent.
You found a
Oh my god.
Why
Oh my goodness gosh.
haven't you done the vent?
Oh my gosh. Guys, this is very epic.
Guys, what is happening right now?
This is so epic. I've been doing this for 16 minutes. Oh my god.
Well, I think they know that.
Yeah.
Because of live streaming.
I'm not live streaming. I'm making a video. I don't even know how to live stream.
Yeah, how do you even do that?
You.
I wish when you post your all videos,
They can still hear you now.
I don't care.
They hear everything we're saying, and now I don't even know how to how to unpause the video. I'm gonna have to go. All right, I did it.
You almost finished your video.
Yeah.
That was close, Mom.
Yo, it says me. Do I plant myself? Plant. Can I plant a piece of cheese? Taboo seed? What the? Hey guys, we're gonna plant this. This is now grow a garden. Oh my god. Guys, let's see if this grows. We're gonna come back and see if it grows. Right now, we're gonna try to get all the fruits that are here. Woo! Woo! Yo, I see something. It's too epic to be true. Boka seed. I don't know what that is. There's only plants. I want real stuff. I want real stuff. Why? Alright. Should I climb up here? Or attempt to climb up here? I can't climb up there. Wow. I feel like I should get water. I need to put this in the water. Guys, I promised you from the start of the video we are gonna get a plant either way. Ah! Eek! Oh my god. I fell all the way down. Oh my god, why does my character look like that? Guys, I might have disappointing news, by the way. We might not get anything. But that is okay. Oh my god, help. Help. Help! I'm underground! I lost my legs, my limbs. Oh my god. Guys, this is very upsetting. Cheese mode. Whee! Bet.
Papa, I got it.
You got it? How? As what?
With the pizza.
The pizza?
Yes, the pizza.
The
slice.
pepperoni pizza?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Alright, guys, even though it's been like 20 minutes, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it now.
Yeah,
We will get it.
I already got it.
Yeah, he told me what he was. I kind of just cheated, but that's okay. It's actually not okay.
I actually just slipped.
I just told a bunch of people to cheat. That's not good. It's not good at all.
Guys,
Alright,
you never cheat.
never cheat.
Yeah,
and
if
you
you're
will
a
be in trouble.
kid, if you're a kid,
And we are kids.
yes. But if you got guys are a kid too,
Oh my, I'm falling.
it works. So it works.
Help.
It works. You just not gotta. Want me to get it for you?
No. I want them to see my gameplay. But it's gonna be 21 minutes pretty soon.
Yeah,
I was not expecting to
21.
be in a room alone for that long.
You know, one time I posted an hour video. One time I posted an hour video.
No, I'm stuck.
You got
Fart.
it. Actually does work though.
Oh my god, what the freak?
Why isn't it working for you?
I don't know.
Well, it's like a rock, but like put some stuff on it.
To me it looks like mochi. Do you guys know what mochi is? It's really good. You should try it, but if you're allergic to it, don't. Do not.
Cause it could kill you, right?
No. Yeah. You just said that word in this video. How dare you? Alright, guys.
It's on my YouTube channel.
No! Oh my god.
Why isn't it working for you?
I don't know.
It worked for me. I
Hold on, guys. What? Alright, sorry about that. My grandma's calling me. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna try to get this because my cousin said he got it with pizza. It's not really working well for me. Ah!
You're not trying to get it anymore?
I am trying to get it. I just got flinned.
Off?
Yeah, I just got flinned from like as soon as I spawned. Did you guys see that?
I didn't.
We can rewatch the video. All right.
Yeah, we can watch it before anybody.
Yep. Because it's my video. All right. Oh my god. Man, I can't even get up here. This is horrible.
I think the pizza.
Never back down, never what? Never give up.
Why? Okay, you want me to do it for
Wait. I have a chance. Never back down, never what? Never give up. Wow! Never back down, never what? Never give up.
Okay.
Never back down, never.
Get up there.
All right.
See? I was the pizza.
Oh my god. Guys, we got. I don't know how to say that. I don't even know what it says.
Fine.
But guys, we just did it. We got the I don't know what I got. But I think we got mochi. We did it, guys. All right. We did it, and that's going to be the end of the video since that was really difficult. Bye. Make sure to subscribe to me.